Yep, out here taking a walk. Just got nice and inspired by the RBBN hike in Harriman State Park and Bradley ore mine trail. I can't pronounce the full name, so I'm not going to attempt it, but I just wanted to create this intro. Enjoy, and at the next RBBN, come join us. Networking hike. It must probably be in the warmer weather, or if you really want to be deering, it might be in the winter time. But yep, let's get into this video. Stay tuned for what's coming.
ודע שלעשיד מזכירין את האדם כל מה שלמד אף אם שכח גם בני אדם השומעים התורה של הצדיק האמס ואינם מבינים איזו לעשיד בעולם הבא יבינו ודע שלעשיד מזכירין את האדם כל מה שלמד אף אם שכח גם בני אדם השומעים התורה של הצדיק האמס ואינם מבינים איזו לעשיד בעולם הבא יבינו עיקר התורה היא להנשמות שבעולם הבא יהיו הנשמות וכאילו משיגים היטב את התורה שלמד ושמע האדם בעולם הזה כי עיקר התורה היא להנשמות שבעולם הבא יהיו הנשמות בקימו משיגים היטב את התורה שלמד ושמע האדם בעולם הזה את התורה שלמד ושמע האדם בעולם הזה כי עיקר התורה היא להנשמות שבעולם הבא יהיו הנשמות בקימו משיגים היטב את התורה שלמד ושמע האדם בעולם הזה
Yehudim Isa Oira V'Simcha Oira V'Simcha V'Sasay Nikar La Yehudim Isa Oira V'Simcha Oira V'Simcha V'Sasay Nikar Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem V'Shem Hashem Ekra Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem, V'Shem Hashem Ekra V'Yehudim Isa Oira V'Simcha Oira V'Simcha V'Sasay Nikar V'Yehudim Isa Oira V'Simcha Oira V'Simcha V'Sasay Nikar Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem, V'Shem Hashem Ekra Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem, V'Shem Hashem Ekra Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem, V'Shem Hashem Ekra Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem, V'Shem Hashem Ekra Yehudim Isa Oira V'Simcha Oira V'Simcha V'Sasay Nikar Yehudim Isa Oira V'Simcha Oira V'Simcha V'Sasay Nikar Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem, V'Shem Hashem Ekra Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem, V'Shem Hashem Ekra Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem, V'Shem Hashem Ekra Kois Yeshu Isa So Uv'Shem Hashem, V'Shem Hashem Ekra יש להם חלק לעולם הבא כל ישראל יש להם חלק לעולם הבא ויאמן כולם צדיקים ויאמן כולם צדיקים כל ישראל יש להם חלק לעולם הבא כל ישראל יש להם חלק לעולם הבא ויאמן כולם צדיקים ויאמן כולם צדיקים כל ישראל יש להם חלק לעולם הבא 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 ויאמן כולם צדיקים ויאמן כולם צדיקים יש להם חלק, יש להם חלק, לא רואה לא מבוא. כל ישראל, יש להם חלק, יש להם חלק, לא רואה לא מבוא. כל ישראל, יש להם חלק, יש להם חלק, לא רואה לא מבוא. כל ישראל, יש להם חלק, יש להם חלק, לא רואה לא מבוא.
My name is John Crisopoli.
Get in a circle. Let's get in a circle.
I work for Apple Bank. I actually just celebrated my 1-year anniversary. But I've been in banking for, thank you. Been in banking for 30 years. First time working for a New York City headquartered bank. And I enjoy it. Apple's been around 163 years. We give 6% to young adults up to 21 years old, which is amazing. So, it's a great community bank, but also commercial bank as well. And I was honored to help Apple Bank expand to Lakewood. So now in New Jersey, we're in Englewood, Island, and Lakewood. And I do sense they're going to be expanding in New Jersey.
Passaic?
And Passaic is on my radar. I've been sharing it. And again, my goal is to help businesses grow and succeed. And I do that through great service and great introductions. And RBBN has been a blessing in my business career. So honored to be here today. And I brought my daughter Brianna. She doesn't own a business. She's not working yet.
Yes.
She's just learning today. So,
who's an ideal
Originally from Toronto, I'm living now in Borough Park. I look to build relationships and monetize them, but the Kaylee I have to do that with is to telecommunication business, to help the offices with the voice phones. I don't need to do that, but I'm still trying to go strong. And
Still going strong.
Still going strong, right? Helping people to have good prices and great service and avoid having any hassles.
All right, what's your ideal client? What's your ideal?
Trail. The name of the park is, I don't know.
Harriman State Park?
Harriman, yeah, that one. Okay, so I'm here to enjoy a hike and to grow networking. I think it's great personally, where you get to build up a little bit of camaraderie. There's a mindset when people go to events, typically you want to grow business. At the same time, when it comes to a hike, it's like, I'm coming to a hike, I might not necessarily be a huge hike lover, but at the same time, you also come to network, so it gets a little bit of balance. And for those that are watching this that missed it, next time we say there's a hike, I highly recommend to hike up with us. That's going to be fun. A little bit of a personal note, upon rolling my ankle earlier, it was making me think, I think this is a great life lessons. How, I don't know, should I continue? If I don't look up at the top of the mountain, just take one step at a time, then next thing you know, I'm at the top of the mountain. So I think it's just a life lesson for us. I think it's something I thought about. Just wanted to share it. In business, we're always going to come through a rocky spot, a tough spot. Just take one step at a time. Don't necessarily look up because you're going to get scared of the future. And that's that. As far as what I do, I love connecting with people, and I should say I really love hype. That's really what it is. I love the hype. And I found myself in the world of sales, always excelling in marketing and hype. So that's how MCM was born, Mickey Co-Marketing. I'm always looking to work with many different businesses, especially and focusing on events, trade shows, conferences, events. People always need someone to be with them by the show, be them by the booth. It could turn into a lot more of organizing, little small detail. No one wants to stop their day. And most importantly, also the third thing, as far as getting involved in making an event, there's always a lot of tasks. So event coordinating to hype, and it's a whole big package. So calling me is free. That's what I always say. Thank you.
Yeah.
My name is Yaakov Gluck, TCO Office Services, Secretarial work, bookkeeping, accounts payables, receivables, collections, payroll, all the annoying office work that nobody wants to do. My team is waiting anxiously to help you get it all done.
All right. Go ahead.
Thing is, you want to get your pitch in 10 seconds or less. You know, that's about everybody's attention span.
It's hard sometimes to
I'll carry it. Keep going to the event.
You can throw these in the woods. They're biodegradable.
Martin Sabo, EPC, every penny counts. We are an AP support service. We help turn your accounts payable department into a revenue stream. Target clients are nursing homes, manufacturing. If you've got expenses, let us help you pay those bills more effectively and generate savings from the credit card rewards.
There you go. You can find your pitch.
My name is Jakob Jacob Baldinger. My primary business is we run a service called Appointment Genie for booking medical appointments using an AI agent. We have direct integrations to the back-end software that's used by different medical offices. It's very fast, very efficient. People use it for after hours, overflow, and we're looking for more medical offices. If you can facilitate any introductions to those sort of offices, definitely let's talk.
And they're a very nice website.
to make appointments.
So right now we're specifically, we do all kinds of stuff, but specifically appointments. That's what we
I'm making appointments.
like. It's not just fun and games, you know.
Okay. Am I the last one? I think so, right? Okay, I'm Heshi Friedman, Azrai Marketing. I help companies with their marketing traction, making sure that they're not spending money on marketing that's stupid or not just doing marketing that's not getting them anywhere. So, marketing consulting, websites, social media, optimization, and now we're doing one of the things we're working on is optimization for AI agents like ChatGPT, learning LLMs and that they should come up properly on that as well, and that's something a lot of the SEO companies have not yet caught on to, and we're getting early, we're doing early work on that now, getting into the industry before it's really before it takes off more and it becomes standardized. Heshi Friedman, Azrai Marketing.
At times I feel, why am I needed? There's so many others besides for me. At times I feel, why am I needed? There's so many others besides for me. Hashem needs every